Hi friends, let me show you the new ceiling fan with lights that I received. This is a new unit. It has a light and, as you can see, a fan function. So that's nice for this hot weather. And well, you get everything in the box. The main unit, the main fan unit and lamp unit. Okay, all the cables you need. The basic instructions, of course, you saw them. This is the actual lamp. This is the lighting part. This is the LED panel. You see? Okay. This will go here, and you will get the light here. And these are the control, the remote control, the fan control unit, the part that goes straight to the ceiling. Okay. You get all the accessories you need to install it. And these are the actual fan parts, okay? Here they are. They look nice. And we're going to install everything so you can see the final lamp use, okay? Thank you. Let's do it. Well, as you can see, we are ready to test it. Let me turn on. I'm going to use the remote, the light first, and you have 6 speeds for the fan. Let's do a number 3. And that's it. I have it forward. You can do it forward or reverse. I mean, for getting air up or down. On summer, you're supposed to get air down like this is now, and on winter you can use the air up. You can program it to be off in 1, 2, or 4 hours. You can turn off the fan and leave the lights on, or you could do exactly the other way around. Let's put the fan on 3 and let's turn the light off. Okay, so now we have only the fan service. Okay, so well, this is a really nice lamp with fan. I really like it. Let's put it to be off in 1 hour. Perfect. So now we have a fan service for 1 hour, and we have a really nice lamp with fan. I really recommend it. If you're considering one light with fan, you should consider this one. It's a great option. Very nice, very elegant.